There are moments in life when it feels like nothing is happening. You pray, you wait, you hope, but the answer does not come. You wonder, God, did you forget me? Why am I still waiting? Why are others moving forward while I feel stuck? But sometimes the season that feels the most silent is the season where God is working the most. A seed grows beneath the soil before anyone sees the flower. A baby grows before the world sees the miracle. And sometimes God is preparing your future before He reveals it to you. The waiting season is not wasted time. It is a season of preparation. We often look for God in big miracles. We expect signs. We expect instant answers. But many of God's greatest works happens quietly. A tree grows silently. A sunrise appears slowly. Healing happens little by little. God does not need to make noise to make something beautiful. Sometimes God is changing your heart. Sometimes He is building your character. Sometimes He is removing things that would hurt you later. The silence does not mean God is absent. The waiting does not mean God has abandoned you. God is working even when you cannot see the process. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Be still, trust. God is moving behind the scenes. Joseph had a dream from God. He believed he had a great purpose. But before the promise came, there was a difficult journey. He was betrayed by his brothers, sold into slavery, forgotten in prison. Imagine that moment. Joseph could have asked, God, where are you? You gave me a dream, but now everything is falling apart. But God was preparing Joseph. The prison was not the end. It was preparation for the palace. The delay was not denial. God was building something greater. Sometimes your current situation is not your final destination. Waiting is difficult because we want answers now. We want the relationship now, the success now, the healing now, the breakthrough now. But God knows timing better than we do. A child may want everything immediately, but a loving parent understands what is best. God sees the future. He knows what you need before you receive what you want. A blessing received too early can become a burden. A door opened too soon can lead you away from your purpose. Trust God's timing. Every difficult season teaches something. Waiting teaches patience. Challenges teaches strength. Loneliness teaches dependence on God. Failure teaches humility. The person you become during the journey is just as important as the destination. God is not only preparing a blessing for you, He is preparing you for the blessing. Because the greatest gift is not what God places in your hands. It is who He helps you become. Sometimes we compare our lives with others. We see someone else's success, someone else's answered prayer, someone else's happiness, and we wonder, God, when is my turn? But remember, everyone has a different journey. A flower does not compare itself to another flower. A mountain does not rise in one day. Your story is unfolding according to God's plan. Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. Isaiah 40:31. Waiting on the God is not weakness. It is faith. The waiting season can create fear. Fear that nothing will change. Fear that your prayers will never be answered. Fear that your dreams are gone. But fear does not know God's promises. God has carried you through every difficult moment before. The same God who helped you yesterday will guide you tomorrow. You may not know the next step, but God does. Take a moment, be quiet. Think about what you are waiting for. A prayer, a healing, a new beginning, a breakthrough. Place it in God's hands. Say, Lord, help me trust you in my waiting season. Give me patience when I do not understand. Give me faith when I cannot see the way. Prepare my heart for the blessings you have planned. Remove my fear and replace it with peace. Help me remember that your timing is always perfect. Amen. Remember, the waiting season is not empty. It is where God prepares you. The seed waits underground before it becomes a tree. Your blessing may be closer than you think. Trust God. Your story is still being written.